I'd say nobody, and I mean nobody, likes a laggy TV. They also really focus on a simple interface, and it's often customizable, which is cool. You can usually pin your favorite apps and your favorite inputs like your game console right to the home screen for easy access. This means less time digging through menus. They even have something called Vida Art. It makes your TV look nicer when it's idle. Another neat feature is Vida Voice. Yep, you guessed it. Voice control. You can just talk to your TV, tell it to search for shows or movies, or change the volume or switch inputs. Hisense tries to make it really easy to use. It supports a bunch of different languages too. That's important for a global brand like Hisense. Universal search is also a fantastic feature. This is a real time saver, trust me. Instead of searching Netflix, then Prime Video, and then maybe another app after that, Vida can search across many of them at once. You just tell it the movie you want, and it shows you where you can watch it. That is super handy. So what's it like using Vida every day? Honestly, it's generally pretty straightforward. The main screen is usually nice and clean. You get your rows of apps and some content suggestions too. It's not cluttered up with a bunch of junk. You turn on the TV and your stuff is right there. Easy peasy, just how it should be. Now, let's talk about apps. App availability is key. Vida Tele has the big names you'd expect: Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Disney+. All those major streaming services are usually there, plus many local services depending on your region. It might not have every single niche app, but it definitely covers the essentials for most people, and Hisense is always working to add more. So is Vida actually easy to use for most people? Yeah, I think so. The remote control is usually pretty standard, often with quick launch buttons for popular apps. The settings menus are generally laid out logically. If you've used any smart TV before, you'll probably feel right at home with Vida. It's designed not to be scary or complicated, so why should you pick a TV with Vida? Well, if you want a fast, no-nonsense experience, Vida is a really solid choice. It focuses on getting you to your shows quickly, and it's often found on Hisense TVs, which usually offer great picture quality for the price. So you get a good TV and a snappy OS. That sounds like a win-win to me.